Okay guys, so we all know this problem. Look, so my phone, perfectly working, see, perfectly working, like, I'm going to the phone, see, it's fine. Check out what happens. I try put in this SIM. It's not AT&T, which is what this is locked to, so it goes to the screen. Asks me for my passcode, I'll do that. Right here. Continue. Check this out. SIM not supported. This is what you're going to get every single time you try to use this SIM. Today, guys, I'm going to show you a method that will make it so it does not say SIM not supported. Alright, let's get in. So, what you're going to want to do, okay, well first I have to take the SIM out. So, here's actually a little mini step. So, taking the SIM out, what you want to do, stick it in this little hole right here. That little hole. You push, you pop the SIM tray out. Just like that. That is how you do it. So now what you're going to want to do, I'll show you the website in just a second, so I'm going to go to it. You're going to want to go simunlock.com. Look, it shows it right here on the top. Click on it. Okay. So, okay. So once you get to this screen, first, whatever carrier your phone is locked to, you want to click on it. So in my case, AT&T. I'm sure if you ask Cindy, she'd be like, yeah. And you have to select brand. In my case, it's Apple. The model, just select the correct model. So mine is the iPhone XS. See? Now you click check service. You have to pay $9 to unlock it, and it'll completely unlock your phone forever. Like, never locked again. Completely unlock it. So, and the time is 1 hour to 48 hours. So it can take 1 hour up to 2 days. It'll probably take between, I'd say 5 to 12 hours. It's about when it goes. And you have to put in your IMEI number right here, your IMEI. So right now, what you're going to want to do, all you have to do right here, just go home. Okay, so now go to settings, general, right there, general, go to about, and there's your IMEI right there. So right now, I'm going to grab my iPad, and I am going to write down my IMEI number. iPad right here. I'm going to go to notes, It's probably the best place to write it down. So if y'all will give me just a second while I write down my IMEI. So mine, I'll tell y'all my IMEI. Mine is 356175509. And just saying, y'all, my IMEI number, it will not work with yours. Because you have to go look at your own IMEI. And 3132. Alright, I wrote down my IMEI. Right here, IMEI. There it is. And now, what you want to do? So, you're in, then you go back to the website. Also, entering your IMEI, it will not do anything to your phone. They're not going to like hack your phone or anything. So here, give me just a second, y'all. I'm going to enter my IMEI. Just skip ahead if you want to, but I'm going to do my IMEI. One 096263 132. Alright, now I got my IMEI wrote down. My delivery email is, I'll write that down. My delivery email. There we go. Oh shoot. Okay, so now everything right here. All you have to do for $9, just click checkout, and you will be good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.